Welcome to Techies Hub. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress with XAMPP. You can easily make website without having knowledge of CSS, HTML, C++ or any other languages used to make websites. WordPress has themes and plugins, from which you can make an attractive website. If you are a blogger or student or a businessman, if you want to make a website you can easily make by using WordPress. WordPress is an open source, so it is free to use. Now let's start by downloading XAMPP on our computer. If you want, you can also download WAP server. Here I am downloading XAMPP server. The first thing you need to do is install XAMPP. Download XAMPP from an official website. Link mentioned in the description below. On website you will see XAMPP is available for all OS, Windows, Linux, and Mac. We will download the first link shown on Windows. Now start the setup by double-clicking on Setup file. Now as you can see in C drive XAMPP folder is created. Click Next to finish to create a folder in C drive. Now we will download WordPress from its official site. Link mentioned in the description below. Download WordPress. Now open XAMPP folder and in XAMPP folder htdocs. Here make a new folder and extract WordPress files here. After extracting all files we will run XAMPP by clicking Run for Apache and MySQL. Now in URL type localhost php myadmin. Now create database. Name should be same as a folder created in XAMPP folder and click on create. Database is created. Now type localhost folder name and enter. Select Let's Go. Type database name same as a folder name. Username should be root by default and database host should be localhost. Table profile should be same as it is required to make more than one websites. Now run the installation. Now one form will open and now site title name can be anything. Type username password of your choice but keep a note of it, as it is required to log in the WordPress. Now email ID is very important as it will be used for recovery option, if you forget the password. Uncheck the dialog box. Now WordPress has been installed. Now log in the account. This is how we can install WordPress using XAMPP server. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video.